Hi everybody, and welcome to another craft video. My name is Amy, and today we will be making decorative book page prints. In other words, we are going to be turning a page from an old book into a piece of bookish art. These prints are perfect for hanging on your wall or for decorating your bookshelf. So let's get started. For this project, you will need an old book that you don't mind cutting up, scissors or an X-Acto knife, a printer, and Microsoft Word or a similar program that allows you to lightly alter images on the computer. For step 1, we're going to take our old book and find a page that we'd like to use for this project. Once you've found the perfect page, go ahead and cut it out. Now for step 2, we're going to jump onto the computer and open up Microsoft Word, or whatever program you're using. Right now we want to adjust the dimensions of the page on the screen to match the dimensions of the page that we cut out. To do this, go to the top left corner of your screen and select File. Then go down and select Print. Now I apologize for cutting off the screen here, but at the bottom of the options, select Page Setup. This will open up a new window. In this new window, make sure the Paper tab is selected at the top. Then go down to the width and height boxes. Now adjust these dimensions to match the page that you cut out from the book. Once you're done, select OK. And finally, go to your Margins option and select Narrow Margins. This should prevent your image from getting cut off once it's printed out. Perfect! Now you can select the back arrow to go back to our main screen. Now that our page has the correct proportions, let's find an image to print out. Head over to your internet browser and in the search box type in www.pixabay.com. This website offers free public domain images for the public to use. This means that we can use these images free of charge without having to ask permission from the owner first. Now go to the search box in the middle of the screen and look up whatever it is you want to print onto your page. Since I cut out a page from the Game of Thrones series, I'm going to look for a dragon. After you've hit search, go to the little drop box at the top of the page that says Images. Click on this to open up a list of options and select Vector Graphics or Illustrations. Now you can see that my search results are showing more simplified images, which will end up showing up better on our page once it's printed. Now look through the results until you found an image that you like. It's important to keep in mind that images without backgrounds will look much better once they're printed. To use this image, you can either select Free Download, or you can just right-click on the image and select Copy Image. Now go back to your Microsoft Word page and right-click in the middle of the screen and select Paste. Now your image should be on your screen. If you want to move it around and adjust where it sits on your page, click on your image. Then at the top of the page, select Format. Then select Wrap Text. Then In Front of Text. Now you should be able to move your image wherever you'd like on the page. Now that we're ready to print, go ahead and load your page into the printer. Make sure to adjust the arms of the loading tray to fit your page precisely. Once that page is ready, jump back onto your computer. To print your image, select File in the top right corner, then go down and select Print. Once your page is printed, it should look a little something like this. I've decided to frame my print, so I just had to trim down the edges of the page a little bit to fit the picture frame. I really hope this has inspired you to make some amazing book page prints of your own. As always, thanks for watching, and have a great day.